Hello everyone, this is Sam Russum from Kanoa, and today we are going to talk about the Kanoa MES system and its place within the Ignition ecosystem. We'll explore what is included when you get our Kanoa MES solution, the different components involved, and how user-created applications fit into this system. Let's get started. This diagram shows an overview of the Kanoa MES system and how it integrates with Ignition. At the base level, we do have the Ignition platform as our foundation. Inductive Automation's Ignition is a key part of the Kanoa MES system. Kanoa MES is built on and for Ignition. Ignition provides connections to automation equipment and third-party systems. It provides our development platform in the Ignition Designer. It also provides security and other essential features. The only Ignition module required beyond the core installation is Perspective, which is Ignition's HTML5-based visualization platform. We also include Apex charts and the BIJC calendar component in our Kanoa MES implementations, and we often recommend Ignition's Historian module for troubleshooting and the CirrusLink MQTT modules for data communications. When you get Kanoa MES, you get three things: our MES modules, the database, and our Ignition projects. Let's dive more into each, starting with the database. We currently support Microsoft SQL and MySQL databases, and we've designed and optimized these databases for storing all of your factory's MES data. While these databases are open and available for you to make custom queries, our Kanoa modules simplify this with over 300 API function calls, making data retrieval into the Ignition platform very straightforward. And that is where our modules come into play. Installed in your Ignition instance, these modules provide you with all of the system.kanoa API calls that you need to interact with the database and your MES data. Finally, we have the Ignition project. In addition to the database and the modules, we do provide a fully functioning Ignition project and application out of the box. This ensures immediate value and sets standards for interfaces, reports, analytics, and it offers a user-friendly configuration environment right there in the application. Beyond these core components, Kanoa supports and encourages user-created applications built on top of our MES foundation. While our project serves as an excellent starting point, customization is almost always necessary to meet your specific manufacturing process and business needs. Ignition's object-oriented approach allows you to inherit and expand Kanoa projects to create something that meets your specific requirements and needs. Some common use cases that we see around making custom applications include custom operator screens for customizing the buttons and data displays for your operations team, custom reports and dashboards to tailor data to meet compliance, production, and communication needs, presenting the data the way that you and your factory needs to see it. Manual entry screens are another common one, where the specifics around how you need to enter manual data might change from factory to factory or even from process to process. And then finally, ERP integration. Customizing that interface to your ERP and master data is almost always something custom that you'll want to build specific to how your ERP is implemented and handles that data. There are a lot of ways that you can be tweaking Kanoa to fit your needs. One of them is to make new views leveraging Ignition's perspective. You can be copying existing views that Kanoa provides you and then making them your own. You could be overriding screens in the Kanoa project to make changes application-wide, or you can make your own screens from scratch and then use Ignition's embedded views to pull components from Kanoa into that specific application. Our open project approach ensures that you can tweak and reuse all of these resources as needed. And it's more than just the user interface. You can also be using those system functions and the Kanoa APIs to program scripts and logic that you need to get the data that's going to make the most sense for your manufacturing process. Thank you for joining us today for this overview of the Kanoa stack and how you can make your own user-created applications. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos around our project hierarchy, inheritance, and more tips on how you can customize Kanoa to meet your specific needs. If you liked what you saw today, please do like our video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all the latest updates from Kanoa. Thanks a lot for watching.